Wow, 4 years have gone by since the inauguration of the Apollo Simulation Center. The vision of one person, our chairman, to deliver healthcare of superior quality within the reach of every individual. Towards this goal, the Apollo Simulation Center was started in September 2021. Though we are a young organization, we've trained roughly around 12,000 candidates, of which roughly 7,000 are doctors and the rest being nurses and allied health specialists. We're the only organization in India which is accredited by National Board of Examination Medical Science in India and by the ASP in UK and the Royal College of Surgeons of Edinburgh. At this juncture, we would like to thank everyone for making Apollo Simulation Center's journey worthwhile and more so skilling and reskilling and upskilling most of our candidates. We would like to thank the leadership, including our Vice Chairperson, the Managing Director, Joint Managing Director, and the CEO. Congrats to the team ASC for the good work done, and please carry this forward in the years to come. My heartfelt thanks to the members of the faculty and the members of the advisory board for making this happen. Thank you so much.